In this video, I'd like to tie a regular type 1 pineapple inside of this 9-part 7-Bight Casa knot. But a regular pineapple, your interweave is 2 parts less than your primary knot. So if this is 9, our interweave string is 7 parts, and it's going to have 7 bites. So you've got to keep restarting your knot, because you can't tie a 7-part 7 bight with 1 string. So a regular pineapple, you would go under 2 to come into your knot and follow the right hand side of your standing part. But with this one, I'm going to go under 2 more, so that we're starting the knot clear up here in the middle. And you'll see why as we get going, because up here is where we're going to do our little cheat to keep tying this with 1 string. So here we go with our type 1 pineapple. Over 1, under 1, over 1, under our X. Okay, now we're just following the left hand side of this strand. Under, over, under, over. And then we come over 1 and we go under an X, and see, we would have been where you'd normally start. We've come back to our standing end already. So we're going to go over 1, and now we're going to go under this X to get into a new track. And I need to go 1 more. See how we're 4 strings in? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4 in over here to start our knot following this strand. And that is where we're going to cross every time to restart our knot. So these will be together. And now we started again. Now we keep going. Over 1, under 1, over 2, split that pair, under our X. All right. Over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1. Now we got to go over 2 to split this pair and go under that X. Now it's over 1, and we come in and we meet up with our new interweave string, and we go under that X and this 1 more. So it's 3 right there of the primary knot to restart our interweave string in the next path. Over 1, under 2 to split our pair. Over 2, split a pair, under our X. Over, under, over, and under 2 to split that pair. And I went above our standing end. Right there. Over 2, split that pair, under our X. Over 1, under, and we're back to our start. So we're going under those 3 to get into our next path. We got to do that 7 times. Over 2, split a pair, under 2, split a pair. Over 2, split a pair, under our X. Over 1, under 1. Got twists. There we go. Now we're going to go, here's our pair, so we're going to go over and above our little cheaty string, under 2 and split a pair. Over 2, split that pair, under our X. Over 1, we're here. Now we got to go under these 3 plus 1 more to split that pair. Over 2 and split a pair, under 2, split a pair. Over 2, split a pair, under our X. I just lost my light, lost my electricity. Over 1, under 2. Over 2, under and over that standing end and under that one to split that pair. It's snowing really hard outside on the 20th day of April. So that must be what knocked the power out. We'll just keep tying. Okay, I went under my X, over 1, under these 2 to split that pair, and now I got to go over and split that pair to get in my next track. So I'm going under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 2, splitting a pair, under 2, split a pair. Over 2, split a pair and go under our X. Oops, I went through my string there for just a second. Okay, over 2, split a pair. Under 2, split a pair. Over 2, split a pair, under 2, split a pair. Now we've got all them underneath cheaty strings that we're staying on top of. Okay, and we split that pair, so now we go over 2, split that pair. Over 2, split a pair. Under about 5 to split that pair and come out into our new track, new path. Over 2, split a pair. Under 2, split a pair. Over 2 and under 3x to split that pair. Oh, we got power. Lights just come back on. Over 2, under 2 to split that pair. Over 2, split that pair. Under 2 and split that pair. Over 2 and split that pair. Under 3x. Now we're just going to go over 2 and under, because that is where we finished doing our cheaty. That finished a type 1 cheaty pineapple, because we had to restart our 7-part 7 Bight interweave every time we come back to the bottom. But it's good to know how to do that. And I hope the power going off didn't affect our video very much. And I hope you'll try tying this knot, because it's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.